Today we're making pickled ginger. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making pickled ginger. This is so easy to do. In a perfect world, you would have young ginger, or really, really young ginger. I do not live in a perfect world, so I had to get the ginger that I could find. But you're saying, but it's got this horrible, it's not horrible, it's got this coating on the outside. All you have to do to get the skin off is use a spoon, and it peels away really easy. Once your ginger is peeled, you're just going to slice it into thin pieces. Like I said, in a perfect world you would use young ginger. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the ginger into a bowl and then sprinkle with sea salt. I'm shaking the bowl around so that I can coat the ginger with the sea salt. Then I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Our ginger is still in its salt mixture. I'm going to take it to the sink and then just rinse it very well. For those of you who are worried about the fact that we did all that to get the excess water out of it, it's okay. I am now leaving this in the strainer so it can drain while we do our next part. Next part is really easy. I'm taking sugar, and remember all the ingredients are listed down below. And I am using apple cider vinegar. You can use rice wine vinegar. I'm going to take this over to the stove and bring it up to a boil. While our mixture is boiling, I'm going to take our ginger, put it into a jar. Woo, that is strong. I'm going to take our boiling mixture and pour it into a canning jar. This jar is for canning, so it can handle the very high heat. Now I'm going to let this cool. And then once it's cooled, I'm going to put a cap on it and put it into the refrigerator. Once your pickles have cooled down, you want to put a lid on them and put them into the refrigerator. Let them sit for at least a week before you try them. However, mine have been sitting for about, it's been quite a few hours, and I know because I've tasted these. So let's go ahead and give these a taste. It's spicy and so good. It has that ginger heat. Oh, those are really, really good pickles. I can imagine this as a pickle relish. That would be really, really good. I might work on that. These are so cool, so easy to make. The longer you let them sit, the better they are. They're sweet, they're tangy. I am just amazed at how good these are, and I did not use fresh ginger. I used what I could get at the store. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. Now if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.